Stock option trading for beginners. S&P 500 was up over 1.8% on April 11 in just one day. The past 5 days, it was up 8.27%. Nasdaq, it was up 2.06% in just one day. 5 days, 11.66%. Dow Jones up 1.56%. 5 days, 6.16%. So this may be a very good time to start trading call options. In this video, I'm gonna give you 3 profitable call options that my students and I have been trading. So now we are starting to see the uptrend. It may be a good time to start trading those call options. So by the end of this video, you're gonna walk away with my call options and you can start studying and see if you really like it, then you can start trading on your own. So Dow Jones stayed down year to date 5.14%. So don't worry, we just need 10 best trading days to make up for the losses and possibly end up in a positive territory. Right? Nasdaq year to date down 13.26%. So we have opportunities. So most of the stocks are and are very right now. They were really oversold. So now they are still oversold. So they are bouncing back. So now is a good time for the call options, in my professional opinions. Year to date, S&P 500 is down 8.61%. Yeah, now it just takes about another 10 days, right? 10 days to make up for 8.61%. So never miss 10 best trading days. So that would be a disaster if you miss 10 best trading days. So what is a call option? Call options go up when stocks go up. Now, this is generally the case. There are some call options that are inverse. When the stock market goes up, those leverage products, they go down. Once stock market go down, these leverage products go up. So if you use call option on those products, yes, they will go up. Call option will go up only when the stock market goes down because their underlying assets is like inverse of the stock market. But usually when stocks go up, call option go up in multiple. Why do I say it's multiple? If you buy 100 shares, you need lots of capital. One call option represents 100 shares. So you just need a portion of 100 shares to gain similar exposure in the movement of the underlying stock. So you can start with a few hundreds to a few thousand. Very quick potential huge gains and limited losses. So if you put in $100 in the stock, the most you can lose it is $100. But the gain is it could just be one stock. But if you put in $100 in call options, that represents 100 shares. The most you can lose is $100. But you can gain exponential gain when the underlying stock move up, right? Very quick, huge gains. And the difference between stock investing and call option is like, for stock investing, you need to put your money in great companies for a long time, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, and you cannot take it out. Sometimes you buy it today, tomorrow it will go down, then you cannot sell. So if you want to retire early and travel around the world like me, you need some income, regular income, weekly, monthly, to pay for all the travel expenses and taking care of family, right? So that's where option trading and advanced option comes in. So it's just like you want to start investing, like you want to marry a virgin girl, right? But there's a restriction. You cannot touch her until 10 years when you get married with her, right? 10 years. So in that situation, you cannot eat, right? So call option is like one night stand or 1 week stand, a few days stand, whatever. You go to a club or party and you see the girls look at you and you go and talk to her because the girls giving you a sign. So 8 out of 10 girls where most likely gonna come home with you and you can have one night stand. So that's why people love call option. Very quick potential gain. What is the loss in that case? You spend 2 hours at a party, right? You can't lose. Make sure you can't lose. Do not stay more than 3 hours. Then you need to know the sign. Some of the girls they will never look at you. They will never be into you, right? The same way, even if you know call options, some of the stock they will never go up. So, but if you know there are outcomes, signs, if you know that these stocks are going up pretty soon, then you can take advantage of call option. Call option very, very quick. Instead of buying and holding that stock for a long time, of course you can always buy that stock, but then you will need lots of capital to gain similar exposure in call option. So that's why we are trading call option. So ready for the call options? Call option number 3, Palantir, expiring on May 16. 85 strike price. That's what my students and I have been trading. So we profited a few weeks ago. Now it's then after that we took profit. Then after that it came down. Then after that now it's coming back up again. So that's why I want to give it to you. So now if you buy one call options at 85 strike price, you only need to pay $1,225. Then you get exposure to 100 shares. So if you buy Palantir for 100 shares, you need to be paying $8,852. So it's a big difference, right? So Palantir stock has been going up over the past 5 days, 32.56%. Year to date, it's up 17.77%. So the trend is up, right? In that situation, you can take advantage of it. It has to be really quick. The stock is up really quick, then you can take advantage of it. So option number 2, Hoot, June 20 expire date. Strike price $45. Call option. It's only cost $6. If you buy 100 shares of call, 100 shares of Hoot, you need to pay $4,368, right? And current share price. So that way, hey, you only need to pay $600, which is a lot cheaper than $4,300. And you have unlimited gain, maximum profit, unlimited gain. And maximum loss is gonna be only $600. Yeah, if you can get it, then very good. Yeah, one day 7.83% up. The past 5 days 42.82% up. Very, very good. Look at that. And year to date it's up 10.75%. So you can take advantage of the uptrend on that situation. And call option number 3. Call option number 3 will be Meta. June 20 call, buy call, 605 strike price. It's down only $20.45. So 2,000. If you have 2,000, you can gain exposure to 100 shares of Meta. So if you buy Meta 100 shares, how much would that be? That would be 543.57 and 54,000, right? 54,000, and you just need to pay 2,000 to gain exposure to 100 shares. That's pretty good. So the past 5 days out 12.31%, and Walmart is stayed down. Year to date it stayed down. So yeah, so there could be a uptrend, right? This is going to be uptrend. So if the stock market recovers, so Palantir stock expire date is closer, May 16. So just be aware. Once the call option gets to the expiration date, it loses value, time value, much faster. So the other options, we still have much time, June 20 and June 20 for Meta and Hoot. So yeah, this is not financial advice. This is a call option that my students and I have been trading. So I want to give it to you, and you can study and you can do some experiment, and you can even practice with your virtual account, paper trading account. Once you get used to it, once you get consistent profits, you can start using your own money. Always start with paper trading account, okay, virtual account. Never lose your capital, but losing capital is part of the game, right? Any business, anything, there's always losses. Even if you do nothing, you sleep at home, you are losing money in opportunity cost. You don't get opportunity by sleeping, right? So if you want to learn more, go to Master Rate Stock Option Crypto. Go to playlist, you can learn more about stock investing, stock trading, option trading, and advanced option and co-investing and other types of investment education. If you want to open an account, you can click on link down YouTube comment and description down below. Open a stock trading account and get free stocks. If you want to talk to me or mentorship call, there's a link as well. Share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.